5:10 in the morning. We are on our way. Family trip. Going to Myrtle Beach. We got 9 hours and 48 minutes to be in this car with this crazy people. And now your mama knows. So our vacation package is from Travel Advantage Network, and I never thought I'd be actually coming to the building itself. And of course it's not the best weather, but I gotta go and check us in. Oh, I love palm trees. And we're walking in. Hey. Oh man. Hey, y'all just all jumped in front of me. Look at that. Okay. Okay. Second bathroom. Oh man. Got the TV and everything. Check out the kitchen. Oh look, we got 2 entrances for the outside. Fridge. Our microwave, our stove. This would be a little spot, huh?
Yes. Make my TikToks. I'm kidding. I don't do that.
Oh wow, our gift to you. Nice. So what are the cups?
Yes.
Nice. Well, didn't take long for the girls to start making themselves at home. Like the decor. Oh yeah.
Yes, I do.
And out here would be Bobby's domain. This couch, and a second later, first thing Bobby does is get his bed together. And Mrs. Lewis is in here unpacking. Out, this is everything we got. And here is the map. We are at Broadway at the beach. Check it out. They are on the Beast. And Buddy, we got Bobby, Sandra, me, and the Glitter Sisters, Sierra and Michaela. Look at this slide. I'm gonna put Michaela on that. The Model Steakhouse. That's cool. So we're trying to find something to eat. I like it. Got your little mining hat. Look at this. Oh man, Joe's Crab Shack. Oh man. Magic show. Guys, I'm gonna feel like I'm actually on The Simpsons. Look, they got Duff. Check that out. Oh man.
That's pretty cool. Can we get one?
That is pretty cool. The Dragon's Lair over here.
AMC is
Fantasy Golf. If it wasn't already raining, we would have been running in there. Oh, that's pretty cool. Rides over here. Look at that. Got the dinosaurs over there. Margaritaville is right over there. This is fish food. Why is that? Check this out, guys. Look at that, man. They are swarming. What if they just all start eating the duck? Ripley's Aquarium, guys. Waterfalls over there. And then you go over here, you got us on the boardwalk. And look, we got another boardwalk over there. That's pretty cool. And look what's down there. Hall of Deans. Look, you even got something for the little kids, man. At some point, we might get on that boat. One of the boats right there. Oh, yeah. Alright, check it out, guys. We got the wheel, the house, and look, Key West Grill. And then we got the giant Victoria's Secrets, I guess, outlet or something. Hello. They're already characters. Look at those faces. Got a bunch of different shops over here. Alright. Okay. Ben and Jerry's. Hello. Everybody's relaxing. Krabby Jack. Thesaurus. That's funny. David and I. Look at that, stupid factory. Oh, that's a lot of popcorn. My man Kevin, I bet you'd like to be here, huh? We got the Key West Grill. Interesting. Yep. And that's cool how it spins around. Charlie's. Senior Frogs, Fat Tuesdays over there. And this is why we haven't decided where we're eating yet. So we got our chili cheese fries. Bobby got his fries, but the waitress just had to make this for Bobby. How do you feel about that?
She brought it over. She was like, wait.
Sierra got hers, Michaela got hers, Bobby got his, Sandy got hers. Oh yeah. I got a jalapeno burger. See how you do it. Oh, okay, you're gonna put the... Alright, I see you, Sandra. Rock climbing over there. That's cool, that's cool. We're at Willie's. Yeah, we got Chuck and Ducks. Just horsing around. Why we didn't eat at King Kong Sushi? Love it. Girls, for some reason, want to go to the surf shop. Dream Pizza. Stage escape games. And the mirror maze. That's pretty cool. The girls are running in the rain. Fired up. Dave and Buster's. Woo! That's pretty cool. This is what we gotta get Michaela to do.
Ah, you thought.
Old school, man. This was at the beach. Wow. This is so magical. Build-A-Bear, baby. Oh, look at that. Oh, can I scroll them frogs? They are loud. Coming in, 10 o'clock at night. Alright, come and check this water. Steam room. Oh, they got the sauna. And we got the hot tub over here. Nice little lounge area. Alright. Wow, man, she's a G. That's what I'm talking about. G.
I got on my baby. Let's go.
Don't ever put your butt in my face like that again.
Record going inside.
Vacation life. Lazy River.
South Carolina.
Take your shirt off and wave it around your head like a helicopter.
Now you're on the vlog.
Look at it. It's Michaela.
Oh my god.
And look. Sierra back there. Glitter Sisters. Get in there, Michaela. Oh, man. The buckets are pouring. Alright, let's check this out. This is the real deal hot tub right here. You did it! lake over here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Right across from the pool. This is the big pool they have. Wow. Oh, cool. Look at that. Get sandy on the beach. Just come right here. Rinse yourself off. All right, so let's go check the beach out. So guys, check this out. Our place is right there. See that? See that? Little walk. See a little walk? And you come right down here. Oh, look at that. There is the beach. Beachfront property, baby. Look at the view. It's pretty cool. 7 o'clock at night. I'm standing here with my feet in the ocean water, and I think it's warmer than the pool water. That is awesome! Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And now, your mama knows.